If you're a crafter and you have not tried Scorch paste, you're going to want to try it because this stuff is so cool. So you just do the same thing. You want bare wood though. So this is just a little shelf sitter I had in my stash. It's untreated. And you just take that Scorch paste and like everything else, you just start applying it to the wood. You want to make sure everything is good and covered. And yes, I will link all of this goodness in the description. This stencil, however, is only good for today. So it's the April stencil. So you're going to let it dry, make it good and dry, and then you're going to grab your hair dryer, heat gun, and you're just going to start heating it up, guys. This is not the coolest thing ever. Like, the first time I used this, my husband was with me, and we were just both like, that's just crazy. It's so fun to watch. And at this point, you can just go back over and make sure you have everything showing up. And there it is. Isn't it beautiful? I absolutely love this technique. It is so fun. I hope you guys love it as much as I do.